In sport, there are multiple roles of a coach. The role I'll be talking about now is a role model. A role model can be defined as someone that serves an example of the attitudes, behaviours, and the role of the sport. As with any other roles, there are both positives and negatives to having a coach who is a role model. The first positive is improvement in position. If you take part of your role model's game, it could improve your own. For example, if a middle blocker in volleyball block is done using the correct form, the player may learn from this, leading to an improvement for the player in the blocker position. The second point I'll be talking about is encouraging participation. For example, if you're inspired by a player and decide to play the sport, you may be able to convince friends to join, for example, a rugby team. My third and final point is teaching sportsmanship. For example, if a player's role model has good sportsmanship, this may transfer. A footballer helping up a player on the other team after they've fallen over. There are also negatives that come along with having a role model as a coach. For example, bad habits. Bad habits may transfer to a player if they try to emulate a role model's game. For example, Kobe Bryant leaning back on a jump shot is not a good habit. My second negative is bad technique. Bad technique may also transfer to a player. For example, Deontay Wilder not keeping his guard up whilst boxing. My third and final negative is arguing with officials. If a player sees their role models arguing with officials, this may show players that it's okay, which it is not, to argue with officials. For example, Serena Williams arguing with the umpire at the latest tennis tournament.